Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Fedex Contractor account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Go to the URL box and type in mybizaccount.fedex.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll end up in this Fedex Ground website. Click on the sign in button on the right hand side corner and enter your username and password in the text boxes appearing on the screen. Make sure to type in your credentials correct. If you need help signing in, since you've forgotten your login credentials, click on Need Help Signing In at the bottom and follow the instructions. After filling in your credential, click Sign In and you will then be able to log into your Fedex Contractor account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.